I messed up. So I was reading, I was trying to do this live, no rehearsal, no pre-reading. It says to dissolve the provided Ninja Descale powder in a separate container with 37 fluid ounces of water. Pour solution mixture into water reservoir. Well, I skipped down and it says or.
In little print.
And
Kind of.
then it says, or fill the water reservoir with 16 ounces of white vinegar. Then fill the reservoir to the descale line with water. I messed up. I'm leaving it in the video. I want to make sure you know this. Don't do that.
But it's double clean.
It's doubly clean. But, you know, I could go through, we could change, I could cut that out. It would be no big deal. I want to leave it in there and make sure that you guys, it's in a different font.
Yeah.
You can see it there. It looks strange. I was trying to do a video. We're kind of in a rush to do it, but
you don't have to do both. You can do either or.
And that's nice to be able to, but they tell you can just use white vinegar.
Yeah.
I mean, how easy is it just to get white vinegar?
You don't have to buy their product to descale it.
Exactly. So enjoy the video. We just did a cleaning cycle and we took the filter off down here and it had some scaling on it. So we're going to do a descaling before it tells us to. And we may have to adjust this descaling to show up quicker. Make sure that you read your instructions. Ensure that the main drip tray, which is this down here, is empty. Just take this out. You should already know how to empty your drip tray. Make sure it's empty. Put it back in. Now, we got descaling powder in a separate container with 37 fluid ounces of water. Pour solution in water reservoir. Fill the water reservoir with 16 ounces of white vinegar. Then fill the reservoir to the descale line with water. So we're going to mix this stuff into 37 fluid ounces of water. We're going to put in 16 ounces of white vinegar inside of our water thing.
Reservoir.
Then after that, then we're going to, the rest is going to go to water. There's a line that says descale on here. We're going to mix it up to there. So it says 37. Well, we don't have 37. We got 32. We're going to mix this in 32 ounces.
Yeah, that's kind of a weird measurement.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure you can buy your own descaling stuff online. I think I looked for it and Ninja didn't even have any. Well, that was fast.
Is it just baking soda?
Probably. Who knows? They want to charge you extra. 16 ounces of white vinegar.
What? It doesn't tell you 16?
It says 18!
Oh. Just do it below that. They probably want you to do it in your own measuring cup.
Come on, Ninja. You couldn't say 18? What's that? That's pretty close.
Mm-hmm.
Give me a break. Fill the reservoir to the descale line with water. Okay, it says to add this after that. There we go. Okay, so that's awesome. We started empty. We went below the 16. We did less than what they said, and we're over the line. Awesome, Ninja. Ensure milk jug is placed on the milk jug platform with the steam wand included. So that we're getting into where we're getting ready to start this up. Okay. Put this mixture in here. Okay, Okay, let's go through now. So we got that filled up. Insert the double basket into the portafilter. I don't think we're going to need that.
And you're talking about this part, not the double basket.
Yeah. So we got the double basket, the smaller basket. We're going to lock it down this time. I didn't lock it down last time.
He never locks it.
And now we're going to, we fasten it to the group head. Ensure the milk jug is placed. Oh, we're going to have that thing. I got to put that on before.
Mm-hmm. No, you're not doing it right.
Got it. Okay.
Now we need a cup.
You can tell I don't use this thing.
Put this here so we...
Go Colts. Okay, got that there. Place empty cup, that's what we did, with at least 18 ounces under the portafilter. You may have to remove the center drip tray. We removed that. Press the descale button, then press the center dial to start the descale. The machine, the machine will start the descale cycle. The machine will flush solution through the steam wand and portafilter for approximately 90 minutes. So if you want coffee, don't do this.
Yeah.
It's going to be at least 90 minutes that this takes. Okay. The machine will count down the remaining time on the control panel. The machine will beep, indicating when the descale cycle is complete. After the cycle is complete, remove the portafilter, main drip tray, the milk jug with caution, as there will be water in each. Empty, and it's probably going to be hot too. Empty the contents of each and hand wash with warm soapy water to remove any solution that could affect the flavor of your coffee. Fill the reservoir with fresh water up to but not exceeding the max fill line. Install the main drip tray back into the machine. Portafilter in the group head. Do not install the milk jug. Flush the group head by running a 12-ounce classic brew. Then with the milk jug uninstalled, flush the steam wand by pressing the purge button. And that's it. So after this cycle, they want you to clean out what you put in there, is basically what it's saying. I would run...
Close those cabinets.
I would do that more than once if it was me. All right. All we got left to do, there's the descale button. We're going to push it. It says 90. We're going to push the start. And it's that easy. Good job, us. All right. We will see you in 90 minutes. Yes, this was a disaster. We cleaned this thing out. We descaled this thing and looked in the instructions, and it didn't say anything about, there's nothing in here. We've got this, like they said to put it in there. There's nothing in here. There's a little bit in here. Right there. Okay. This thing was full. This thing was overflowing. There is white vinegar everywhere. I don't understand what happened. It didn't say that we needed to watch to empty this out. I had to, it was an emergency. Like,
there was everywhere.
It's everywhere. You could smell vinegar in our house right now. I don't understand what happened, but we went to clean this out. As you can see, there's nothing, maybe a drop in there. I mean,
One drop.
It was one drop. And I don't know what happened. I don't know. So make sure when you go to clean that out and descale it, you're checking on this to make sure it doesn't overflow. And I don't think it ran through its whole cycle before it shut off. Like it was, I don't get it. Like, I don't know. I mean, we read the instructions. You've seen us read the instructions. We followed the instructions. It does not say anything about having to empty this twice. And we still have stuff left over. Like, it's not like, that's about the correct amount that was over on the descale.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not like we overfilled it. I don't get it. I'm very disappointed. I did not want vinegar all over. Luckily, we have this mat for our coffee machine. But you think it was a disaster?
I mean, I don't think it was a disaster. It was
A little messy.
an inconvenience.
Yeah, an inconvenience. It was. We're gonna have to take this machine, unplug it, and move it. Clean the bottom of it, put it on towels.
And then run some just plain water cycles through it.
Yeah, which
way it doesn't
it
taste
did
like
say
vinegar.
to do that on there.
Yeah.
But it did not say anything about multiple times clean this out. And it makes me wonder why it didn't have anything in here. Like it acted like it was going to
Any other time we've descaled a coffee maker, it always fills up the cup.
Yes, it fills up this cup and this cup is empty. So is there something wrong with it now? I don't know. We're going to have to figure that out. It should not have filled this up past its full mark. We don't know. We're going to have to figure that out. If we find that out, if you know, please comment below. But keep an eye on this if you do descale it. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye.
Man, I wish that would have worked out great. I mean, we're trying
At least
to do.
it's not bleach, right?
Yeah, I mean, and good thing we have this mat. Now we're gonna have to take everything apart. Look at all that.
And that's even after you've already wiped it.
I've wiped a ton of it off there. And nothing in the cup. That does have some stuff in it.
I'm ending it.
Okay.